Good morning, guys. I wanted to show you a couple things that came up with your assignment on Tuesday here. We're going to make Wednesday's assignment pretty easy for you. I'm not going to be in a hurry here to be marking people down for late work. Normally, I'm pretty strict on it, but I'm just not ready to go that route with our class yet. That being said, I have a lot of you starting your work 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock at night. I'm setting deadlines at midnight because in general you should be working during normal class time. So if the kids are in school from 8 to 2, you should be doing the bulk of your classwork from 8 to 2. And I do have some of you logging in really early, like 7:30. I got kids sending me stuff, but then I also got kids trying to submit stuff at 11:50 at night. So a couple of us get on a little better schedule, and the rest of us keep it up. So again, if you're not done with Tuesday stuff, get it turned in. But I wanted to point out a couple things. One, a few people had a hard time figuring out how to take a picture and submit work. Some people are just doing the following. So I am logged in as my daughter Riley. She's a kindergartner. So my kindergartner is now taking algebra. So this will allow me to just do some showing of things sometimes. So when you're logged into our class stream, you click on classwork. Once I'm clicked on classwork, you click on today's assignment. Okay? And here it is. It pops up. I can scroll down, or better yet, I can click and view assignment. So and it gives you all the directions. Okay, and I had a student comment earlier. I was having a conversation. You don't see my comments, but Richard and I had a conversation. He had gotten confused on something, sorted it out, and it's good to go. Some of you are making the mistake of doing this. You're just clicking turn in, and I have no proof that you did it. Okay? No proof that you did it. So here's what you have to do. You have to click add or create. So you have to add. And then in my case, make sure I downloaded it. Okay? I'm going to download this here, and it'll sit there in my download because I had emailed it to myself. So I'm going to add a file, and then I'm going to upload it, browse, and should pop up here in my downloads. Okay, and there we go. Let me drag this over here. There we go. Right, and it uploaded. Okay, now you'll see right here my problems are there. Now I can click turn in. Okay, and it says 2 attachments will be submitted. One of them was just a blank copy of the worksheet. The quality of that worksheet was not, it didn't copy well. So I had used this from one of the other teachers in the high school. It just didn't copy well. So, and you can also add comments here. Some of you have been doing that. Okay, making your private comments there. So that's how you do it. And then it also talked about going to GoFormative. So the problem with GoFormative today was this. Since the quality was bad, there was a few problems that were wrong. So like, for example, having a hard time clicking on it. If I scroll down to number 2, now this answer's gone already, but because I deleted it out. Number 2 was wrong right out of the get-go. Because if you look here, it kind of looks like x minus 2, but if you printed it, it's actually x plus 2. So just the copy quality of this was not good. So I'll get a cleaner copy updated or uploaded in the future. Okay, so this was just practice here. Eventually we're going to use this as a good way to check your work and know whether or not you got them right. But the other problem is that we got to have better answer keys and better quality copies. So as we're trying to learn to navigate our digital classroom, it's something we're going to work through. So Wednesday's assignment is going to be easy. Go back and fix anything on Tuesday. Get this submitted. Try the GoFormative stuff, even though a couple of the questions are wrong. But here's what I'm going to do. The other thing I wanted to do, show you guys. Here is my work from today. I told you guys you could try to take pictures, and some of you did, but your picture would be zoomed out like this. Now, I can't tell your work and look at the problems and give you any advice when you're zoomed out and taking a picture like this. Doesn't work. So, better option. A lot of you have an iPhone, okay, like me. If you go into your notes section, you can use it as a scanner, okay? Use your notes as a scanner, scan it, and scan the whole document. Email it to yourself or put it into Google Drive. Like I have Google Drive right on my phone. I have my Google Classroom on my phone. All those things that can help you, okay? So try to work on uploading better pictures because eventually we're going to have to get there. It's going to have to be good, clean pictures. So speaking of that, here's a little note for your Wednesday assignment. 20 minutes of IXL. Okay, 2-step equations. And some of you had a hard time with some of the last few. I uploaded a key. If you watch my other video for the night, I explained how to do some of the ones on the bottom. So if you're having a hard time with like 11 through 15, watch my video, especially the tail end of it, and get that resubmitted. Spend 20 minutes on IXL. You have to do your weekly check-in that you do 2 times a week. We're going to check in Wednesday and Friday this week, so fill out your Google form. Do 20 minutes of IXL. And then with that IXL, I want you to take a picture of 4 problems that you did. 4. That's it. But I want a good, clean, clear picture. Some of you struggled with that today, so try again. Okay? Take a better picture and send it my way via the submit button on your classwork. So what I just did with Riley's fake account. You'll do this, click submit, send me a good picture of 4 problems that you tried off IXL. Weekly check-in and finishing up any of the Tuesday stuff. Okay, watching my video, the other video I posted, and you should be able to get that done pretty quick today. So have a good one.